Hello, it's me, Rafael Calero of Kitchen Studio. Every Saturday I like going to the market to pick out some fresh fish, fruits, and vegetables. I look forward to doing this every week. However, when I get home, I forget to store it properly. Sadly, many of us don't really know how long these items are going to last. So to avoid wasting food stuff, come and join me as I share with you proper storage tips. Freezer temperature must be 32 degrees or less. If it is any cooler, your frozen foods will suffer from freezer burns. Get a good thermometer for the fridge. Keep shrimp, lobsters, oysters, and such in the refrigerator on ice. Ideally, put the seafood on top of the ice in a colander. Be especially careful about wrapping meats in a plastic wrap or Ziploc so that their juices do not leak and contaminate other foods. Sometimes, an item is fine on a cabinet shelf until it is opened. After opening, many items should be refrigerated. For example, pickles, ketchup, etc. Bread products will keep longer if they are refrigerated. Never thaw meat on the counter at room temperature. Instead, thaw frozen meats in the refrigerator by placing them on a plate, in a bowl, or in a plastic bag to keep juices from leaking. Once the food has been frozen and thawed, it should not be refrozen as it will adversely affect the quality of the food. Leftovers should be transferred to a container or bag that seals well. Place in a refrigerator and write the date on a masking tape and stick it on the container. Throw uneaten leftovers away after 3 days. I do hope that these tips have helped you. After all, it's better put them in your waste than into the waste. See you again next week. A kitchen tip from the experts of Kitchen Studio.
Kitchen Studio, a cupboard full of ideas.